This is the stage you have to be willing to do more. I had a client of mine, home furnishing business. You know, as a home furnishing business, he used to supply curtains and drapes, cushion covers, mattresses, rugs. When he used to send a carpenter to install the curtain along with a tailor, they used to send a kit. The carpenter used to drill the hole. Before drilling the hole, they would carry a covering cloth to cover the other furniture so that dust doesn't fall on it. It's a small act, yes or no? But it shows niyat. Then, after installing the curtain, they would remove a steam iron and steam iron the curtain to have the right creases, because when it's folded and transported, creases get spoiled. Yes or no? They don't have to do it. They can say, आपने कर्टन ऑर्डर किया, हमने इंस्टॉल किया, हमारा काम हो गया. They would take a lemongrass flavor mosquito repellent and put it at the bottom of the curtain and then push the sofa so that mosquitoes don't come, dust doesn't accumulate. They would remove a Davidoff Cool Waters perfume bottle and spray it on the curtain so it has a nice fragrance. Go beyond the normal. You know, when that carpenter is doing istri, when he's ironing the curtain, that lady, that customer who's getting the delivery of this curtain, she's thinking, अंदर कपड़े हैं, लेके आओ. Buy नहीं आई, आप बहुत अच्छा इस्त्री करते हो. But by the end of it, when he's putting Davidoff Cool Waters perfume on the curtain, she's like, मेरा पति मुझ पे परफ्यूम नहीं डालता, ये कर्टन पे डाल रहा है. Will you marry me? It needs to make the customer go, wow. You know what happens predictably after this installation process? That woman calls her husband. You know what happened today? Firstly, husband sees wife name on phone, he goes like, क्या हुआ? What happened? Those Amita exclusive guys came today to install curtain. We think, then? You know what they did? What did they do? They put a cloth to cover the sofa so dust doesn't come. Then they did jadu of the dust that came out. Then they did istri. Then they did perfume. And he's like, then? She's like, then what? I'm telling you so nicely they did. Then he realizes this is not a problem call. Then the husband says what every husband loves to say. You're happy, no? You are happy, I'm happy. Value, happiness. Do you leave your customer with that experience? That is what determines your growth at this stage. And let me tell you what is the strategy to get out of this stage of emergence. Everybody ask me what? At this stage, as a business, you know, you're stuck in this inconsistent cycle of income. Yes or no? You're doing sales, you're doing servicing. So some months is Diwali, other months is Diwala. It's inconsistent. Now to make this consistent, you need to fix 3 problems in your business. Ask me what? What? First, yourself. You need to fix yourself. You need to grow your skills. You are probably good at the product, you're good at the service, you're good at selling it, and that's it. You don't know how to hire people. You don't know how to build a team. You don't know how to delegate. You don't know how to build systems. You don't know how to do marketing. Now please understand, if you don't know these things, then you're not managing your business. You're doing crisis management in your business, which is sales and operations. True or not? So this is the stage. You've got to invest the time and money which you don't have. This is the most important statement I'm making today. Invest the time and money which you don't have the time. You're busy doing everything. You don't have the money. You have cash flow challenges. You have inconsistent income. This is the stage you have to invest the time and money which you don't have in learning so that you grow your skills, in marketing so you grow your reach, and in building teams, in hiring people so you delegate the work. Now most people say, how? How can I invest the time and money which I don't have? Honestly, if I have to explain that answer, you are not a business owner. Business owners first do, then figure out. Hello?